Welcome to our channel. Today we how to view Georgia lottery results. Check winning numbers online step by step clearly. Open your phone, tablet, or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Launch a web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type the official Georgia lottery website, geolottery.com. Press enter and wait for the homepage to load completely. Look for a menu option that says winning numbers or results on the homepage. Click or tap winning numbers to open the results section. Choose the specific game you want to check, such as Mega Millions, Powerball, Cash 3, Cash 4, Fantasy 5, or Keno. If you do not see your game immediately, use the site's list of games to find it. Select the date of the drawing you want to verify, especially if you are checking an older ticket. Confirm the drawing time if the game has multiple draws per day. Carefully read the posted winning numbers and any bonus numbers shown. Compare each number on your ticket with the winning numbers in the exact order rules required by that game. Check special features like Powerball, Mega Ball, or multipliers if your ticket includes them. Look for payout or prize tier information displayed near the results to understand what matches are worth. If the site offers a Check My Numbers or Ticket Checker feature, open that tool. Enter your ticket numbers manually exactly as printed on the ticket. Double-check your entries before submitting to avoid a wrong result. Submit the numbers and review the on-screen message that explains whether you won and what prize level applies. If you prefer mobile access, install the official Georgia Lottery app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the app and allow basic permissions only if you are comfortable with them. In the app, tap winning numbers or results to find the same game listings. Select your game and pick the draw date to view the correct winning numbers. Use any built-in scanner option if available, and scan the barcode on the ticket under good lighting. Read the scan result carefully and note that it is informational until verified at an authorized retailer. Take a screenshot or write down the winning numbers for your records if you need them later. If you believe you won, check the claim instructions and deadlines shown on the official site or app. For small prizes, visit a Georgia lottery retailer, and for larger prizes, follow the Claim Center guidance. Keep your ticket safe, sign the back of it, and never share the barcode publicly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.